Build and deploy. Package and deploy your application to the cloud. This video runs you through how to build, package, and deploy your application to the cloud. You can build any of your components with a simple click. Code Now will then start the CICD pipeline that comes by default pre-configured with every starter template. You can follow the progress of the pipeline and see if and where build errors occur. To deploy an application to the cloud, you must specify what to deploy and where to deploy it. What to deploy consists of specific versions of components of your application. Where to deploy is a target environment, for instance, staging or production, where the application will run. Code Now lets you define what to deploy in an application package. An application package consists of a list of components and is versioned for reference. To speed up the packaging process, Code Now makes it easy for developers to adopt semantic versioning and define a new package version as a patch, minor, or major update. You will generally want to package together the latest version of all application components. However, having the freedom to specify which components you want to include and which version makes it easy to roll back to previous component versions with a few clicks. Once you have created an application package, you can deploy your application. Select the package you want to deploy and the environment you want to deploy the package to. You will then be able to provide deployment configuration files for each of your components. Configuration files allow you to pass variables to the components that are maintained separately from the component code. The decoupling between these variables and the component code allows you to change those variables and redeploy the same component in another context without changing the code. You are ready to deploy your application. You may want to store deployment configuration files for reuse. Code Now lets you do that with a few clicks. This video explained how to build, package, and deploy an application in a few clicks. Because this process is simple and guided through Code Now's user interface, regular developers can own their application from the coding phase to the deployment phase. This means developers do not need to wait for ops or DevOps engineers to deliver their new features to the cloud. This means DevOps engineers can focus on the high-value delivery management tasks. With a fully automated delivery process, you can focus on improving your software lifecycle and deliver new features every day to production, just like digital leaders do.